In the library analogy, let's consider a large library with multiple sections, each representing a different genre of books, e.g., fiction, nonfiction, science fiction. Each section has its own set of bookshelves, organized by the title of the books within that genre. Now, let's say you want to organize the library in such a way that each genre has its own dedicated section with separate bookshelves. This is where the concept of multiple table design in DynamoDB comes into play. In our library analogy, the multiple table design is like having separate libraries for each genre, each with its own dedicated set of bookshelves. Here's how the analogy works. Separate libraries, multiple DynamoDB tables, represent different databases or tables, each dedicated to a specific category or domain of data, e.g., user data, product data, order data. Each library table contains information relevant to its specific category, such as user profiles, product details, or order history. Sections and bookshelves, items and attributes. Within each library table, the sections correspond to different types of data, and the bookshelves represent individual items, records, stored in the table. Each item contains attributes that provide details about the specific data entity it represents. When you want to find information about a specific topic, you go to the corresponding library table and search through the bookshelves, items, within that library. Each library table is dedicated to a specific category of data, making it easier to organize and manage the information. Similarly, in DynamoDB, when you use multiple tables to store your data, you create separate databases for different categories of data, allowing you to organize and manage the data more efficiently. Each table is dedicated to a specific type of data, and you can design the table schema and indexes based on the unique requirements of that data category. In summary, multiple table design in DynamoDB is like having separate libraries for different genres of books in a large library, each with its own dedicated set of bookshelves. This approach allows for better organization and management of data, making it easier to access and query the information relevant to specific categories or domains.